After the success of the Vivo Y500, the brand is all set to launch the Vivo Y500 Pro before the end of this year. The upcoming Y500 Pro will offer an upgrade over the standard variant in terms of camera performance. The upcoming mid-range phone will feature a 200MP rear camera, use Samsung's ISOCELL HP5 200MP sensor that has a 1/1.56-inch size and an f/1.88 aperture lens. This phone appears to be a rebranded or slightly modified version of the Vivo V60e, which is expected to debut with a 200-megapixel primary camera in October in India. Feature a 120Hz AMOLED display housed inside an IP68/69 rated body. Equipped with the all-new Dimensity 7360 turbo chipset and a 6500 mAh battery with 90W fast charging support. It is expected to run on FunTouch OS 15 based Android 15. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.